The U.S. debt crisis have exposed flaws in U.S. politics and fiscal policy, an Italian economist has said, warning governments and investors around the world to be alerted. Andrew Spanas, lecturer of Catholic University of Milan, said the U.S. government bonds have long been considered as a safe asset, but investors' confidence has been affected by the repeated debt crisis, which erode the creditworthiness of the U.S. government and the value of dollar assets.
The biggest problem is for the bond markets, because the markets will lose their trust in the United States government. Borrowing costs will rise across the economy because many costs are linked to state bonds, government bonds. And that would create a serious problem with the credit system in general, not only in the United States, but in many other countries around the world. The United States economy is still there, and it will continue to be there. But a functioning financial system is essential.
According to the Global Debt Monitor issued by the Institute of International Finance recently, the global debt stock has hit $305 trillion, $45 trillion higher than before the COVID-19 pandemic. The United States has the world's highest national debt, which stands at $31.4 trillion, raising further concerns about U.S. government spending and borrowing costs. Since 1945, the United States has raised its debt ceiling 103 times. In recent years, many businesses have begun to adopt de-dollarization methods in international trade due to the fluctuations of the greenback, the slump in the U.S. economy, as well as potential political risks.
The main cause is political, not economic. This is a way for the minority to exert its will, to try to get concessions from the White House for its view of public spending. It's a messy part of the democratic process, and an abuse of the rules in this case.